today is very exciting because we bought a house. Yes, we did. So I'm gonna be doing like a house tour, you guys. So we already started doing stuff. So you're gonna be seeing like a whole bunch of things here and there. But I just wanted to show you guys before we actually made any major changes, what the house looks like before we actually started like a full DIY project or renovation to anything. So let's go. Okay, so when you come in, this is the ground floor. And on the ground floor, there is a bedroom. Let me turn on the lights. Okay. So this is a bedroom, and then it has like a closet. So we do need to paint in here for sure and replace the carpet. I'm gonna be doing some DIY projects for sure. There is a bathroom down here too. I don't like the bright colors. I like when bathroom have like a, you know, like a white cream looking color. So we're definitely gonna change the colors. We're probably gonna change out the toilet because yeah. And eventually we're gonna replace it. So we're definitely gonna do like a whole thing with this. The garage is right here at that door, and then there's another like a coat closet right here. We're definitely gonna, so for the master bedroom we bought this complete toilet, which we're gonna be replacing it because I don't even want to tell you guys the previous owner, let's just say yeah. Anyways, so we're going up the stairs. Going up the stairs. And when we go up the stairs, there is the living room and the bathroom. But I also want to show you guys this window. It's pretty cool. So there's a lot of natural light in this place. So when we come upstairs, there's a little dining area right here. And then there is the kitchen over here. We have started some painting and stuff. Yeah. So we're gonna be replacing, we're gonna get new appliances for sure. We're gonna be replacing the fridge, the dishwasher, and the stove. And this townhouse did not come with a microwave, so we're gonna be buying a microwave as well. So don't mind this mess, because we, like I said, we already started painting. So next to the kitchen is like another dining area or seating area, and then we have right here. So we actually did the painting ourselves. I'm gonna insert a picture of how it looked before. We actually painted this area and the after. So the previous owners, like I said, they like colors. So right here is red, another red, and then right here is what, green. And in the kitchen is another set of colors. So it's like there's a whole bunch of things happening here. But you have a patio section. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna go out there, but yeah, a whole big area. Probably leave it open. Yeah. And then on the second floor, there is a half bathroom plus another closet. So this is like a nice size closet. I wonder if we should paint in here. I don't even know. Like, we just be painting the sections that like really need paint, like the walls that are, you know, like the one over here, the TV was mounted to the wall, so we painted it so that it doesn't look too shabby, and we did a pretty good job. You know, it looks really nice. But like for the, when we're changing these colors, we're gonna get professional, or my dad probably gonna come and change these colors. But for now, we just need to do like the minor stuff so we can prep to move in. I do like this mirror, but I feel like this bathroom needs to, you know, like some stuff needs to be done with this bathroom, but yeah. And then we're gonna go up the third and last flight of stairs, and we have another window right here. Again, a whole bunch of natural lighting, which is pretty good. And let's see which room should be going first. All right, so let's go in the first room. So in this room, so this is another bedroom. So this is the second bedroom that I'm showing you guys. There's a closet area here. This is another bedroom. Again, the walls needs to be painted, but it's not like we're gonna be leaving these for now. This closet is a little tiny. I don't know why they made it so small, but yeah, this closet space is a little tiny. And then in the hallway there is a linen closet. And then there is a bathroom in here that we're definitely gonna have to renovate. Like I'm gonna be showing you some things that these people left behind. Like, yeah, we're gonna be hiring, first of all, we're gonna be hiring like a professional company to do some deep clean, because we ain't cleaning this shit. They left lotion bottle behind. Yeah, they left a lot of stuff behind, and they didn't clean. Like, this is nasty as fuck. Excuse my language, but I'm just like, we're not expecting, because when we looked at the place, it was what you call it? They had their stuff in here, so we didn't see all of this until after. And then because these things are cosmetic stuff, so it's not like it's not a big deal, you know, because we just hire a cleaner, like, you know, a professional cleaning company, and then they'll clean it for us and all of that. So it's not like a actual damage to the building or anything. But yeah, so we got a whole laundry area. They left the ironing board and their broom, so I'm gonna get rid of the ironing board. We're probably gonna use the broom for the garage. And then this is the master bedroom, which we have already started painting. Let me see if I can get lights or not. Okay, so the light is on. So this wall had a little, you know, stuff going on here. And then I was thinking of, so basically this is, I don't know, what color is this? Gray? So I was gonna just do like a white and a white, but because there's a gray undertone, the white is not coming out as white as we want it to, which is fine. So we're gonna probably do another coat of this. But yeah, so that's one. They mounted the TV right here, so that is why it has so many patches and stuff. And then they left these shit up here. Like, did we say we want these shit? So our realtor took a picture of the things that they left behind to reach out to their realtor, the seller's realtor. I haven't heard anything from it. It's not a big deal. We're gonna just put these in the trash. And then they also left this clock. I'm thinking of, I like the clock, but I don't know if I want, you know, like, this is our actual bedroom. It's weird to be having stuff left behind and stuff. Anyways, we have a walk-in closet. Let me see where the light switch. Okay. So I'm gonna actually paint this in here right now. It has a little, you know, like a few damages and stuff, like just minor stuff, but I want to paint it. So I'm gonna paint it because I feel like this is minor stuff and I should be able to do the painting myself because it's not like a big deal. So I'm gonna just do that. And then they left their clothespin. I'm gonna throw away these. So yeah, and then this is the third full bathroom. It's a 3 full bathroom with a half bath. What am I saying? Basically 3 full bathroom, and then we have a half bath. So we have a jacuzzi tub right here, which looks okay. Again, we gotta clean this place, like really deep clean this place. We're gonna eventually we're gonna be doing a lot of upgrades for sure. This is the toilet that we're gonna be replacing because I don't know what they were doing, but yeah, we gotta replace that. And then this is the shower, and I wanna replace these as well. So yeah. So this is our home. Yeah. Turn off the lights. I just wanted to add that when we viewed the house, a lot of these things we did not see because the seller had her stuff in the house. So like the bathrooms, they had the mats in there, so we didn't see that it was dirty. We didn't actually lift up the toilet because we were gonna get an inspector anyways to make sure that the plumbing was okay. The TVs were mounted, so we didn't see that they were damaged until they removed the TV. So it's like, overall, we're still happy with the place because it's a very big townhouse, as you can see. 3 levels, 4 rooms for the price that we got it for. You know, it's like we're happy with it. It's just that, you know, all of the stuff that we have to do were not necessary. But of course, it's a very colorful place, you know, so many colors. So we're definitely gonna stick to like 1 to 2 colors for the entire townhouse, because we don't need red and orange and all of those bright colors. That's not our thing. I like, you know, minimalistic look, and that will make it, you know, whatever furniture that we get, it matches, you know, and it's easier for us to, you know, have a, you know, a nice, appealing, relaxing home. So yeah, so we did not color, we did not do the painting, just so you know. So the paintings were the walls that I showed you guys that were damaged, and those were white. We only painted it white because we just decided to buy white, and then we're gonna get professionals to do the red and to change, because those things, they're brighter, it's gonna be harder for us to paint over it. Or even if we do it, it's not gonna be now, it's gonna be way after we move in, we settle in and all of that. But again, overall, it's a good price. It's in the suburb, so we like it. And you know, the community is very good. Like, we have a HOA, but we have swimming pool, we have tennis court, a walking trail. So it's a really nice place. So we definitely are happy that we bought it, despite how it might have sounded in the video. It's just that we were a little annoyed because we weren't expecting to having to do all of this. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.